Welcome to today's English shadowing practice. Let's practice speaking naturally about your weekend plans. Listen closely and repeat after me. What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Do you have any special plans? Do you have any special plans? I am going to relax at home. I am going to relax at home. I might watch a few movies. I might watch a few movies. Are you hanging out with friends? Are you hanging out with friends? We are planning to eat out. We are planning to eat out. I want to try that new cafe. I want to try that new cafe. The weather should be really nice. The weather should be really nice. I hope it does not rain. I hope it does not rain. I need to do some grocery shopping. I need to do some grocery shopping. My room is a complete mess. My room is a complete mess. I will spend Saturday cleaning up. I will spend Saturday cleaning up. Do you want to go hiking? Do you want to go hiking? Let us meet at the park. Let us meet at the park. I love spending time outdoors. I love spending time outdoors. I am visiting my parents on Sunday. I am visiting my parents on Sunday. We are having a family dinner. We are having a family dinner. What time are you free? What time are you free? I usually sleep in on Saturdays. I usually sleep in on Saturdays. I need to catch up on sleep. I need to catch up on sleep. Are you going to the gym? Are you going to the gym? I want to go for a run. I want to go for a run. Let us grab some coffee later. Let us grab some coffee later. I have a lot of chores to do. I have a lot of chores to do. I am looking forward to the break. I am looking forward to the break. Do you want to join us? Do you want to join us? That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea. I will call you tomorrow morning. I will call you tomorrow morning. I need to buy a birthday gift. I need to buy a birthday gift. We are going to the shopping mall. We are going to the shopping mall. The museum has a new exhibition. The museum has a new exhibition. I love looking at modern art. I love looking at modern art. Are you staying in town? Are you staying in town? We are taking a short road trip. We are taking a short road trip. I need to pack my bags tonight. I need to pack my bags tonight. Don't forget to take some photos. Don't forget to take some photos. I will share them with you. I will share them with you. Have a safe trip this weekend. Have a safe trip this weekend. I am planning to read a book. I am planning to read a book. It is a very peaceful hobby. It is a very peaceful hobby. What kind of books do you like? What kind of books do you like? I prefer reading mystery novels. I prefer reading mystery novels. Let us cook dinner together. Let us cook dinner together. I can make some delicious pasta. I can make some delicious pasta. That sounds absolutely perfect. That sounds absolutely perfect. I will bring some dessert. I will bring some dessert. Sunday evening is best for me. Sunday evening is best for me. I have to work on Monday. I have to work on Monday. Let us make the most of it. Let us make the most of it. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. Great job. You finished today's shadowing session. Keep practicing every day to improve your speaking confidence. See you next time.